Finally, Claude can run your entire business, and in this video I will show you everything you need to know. And I am very sure that this is something every single entrepreneur needs. So it doesn't really matter whether you build this for yourself or something you're selling to other entrepreneurs. And this really is the most important thing in my whole business. I've been spending 9 months fine-tuning and polishing this whole system. The infrastructure, the AI behind it, the self-learning mechanism. As you can see, we have our own Backoffice app. And in this video, I will show you everything. First, the result, and then how to install it for yourself, for your own business with its own specific needs. And if you're interested in this app, make sure to check the link in the description. So I can click it right now, and as you can see, we have our dashboard. And this contains everything I need to know about my business. So on one hand, I'm not missing anything, but on the other hand, I'm doing more stuff better and more efficient. So this is my demo mode. So these are not my actual bank account numbers. But as you can see right here, we have the morning review. And what that means is basically everything that is flagged by the system, by the Claude routines, by my Claude skills is shown in here. So this is my main interface for clicking. And clicking is something you need to remember because there's a big difference between chatting and clicking. So I can now show you the morning review. So for example, a brand is doing outreach for a sponsored video. Then my system, my AI agents know exactly what my price is. And previously I was doing all the negotiation myself, but that took a lot of time. So now my system, my AI agents know exactly how to answer them. So on every incoming message, a reply is already set. And the nice part is I can now click on approve and send, and it will just send it immediately. But what I can also do is, like in the morning, I can just go through the app, as you can see right here, and I can also send the message back from my phone. So when I wake up in like 5 minutes, my whole day is already set. But we also have the voice reply. So whenever I have an answer here, which I'm not really feeling, I can use the voice reply and it will write a ready to send response for me. And this is not only for email. You can do this for your Slack. You can do this for whatever system you're using that you need to check daily. If your mornings right now are consisting of like checking 5 different softwares before actually starting your day, you can all aggregate that into your own app on autopilot. And you still determine what goes out and what doesn't go out. So you're not really losing anything to AI. And this is quite simple. Like it is very nice that everything comes together. But if I now show you the workspace right here, we have memory. And this is basically storing all the observations the AI is doing. So for example, everything I'm sending will be checked by the AI and added to my memory. So over time, the system learns from all of my responses. But the responses is just one part. What I also have is I have to-dos. Right now, all my to-dos are done. Nice. But I also have a finance tab. So everything is connected to my actual bank account, to my Stripe, to everything. So what you see right here is my current bank account, my tax reserve, my audience even. So everything is added to this one system. And this one system lives in Supabase. So that is, for example, right here. I have all these tables, which are basically the brain behind all of my operations. And it is compounding over time. So we have finance, we have income, we have expenses. We see exactly what we are spending on what. So what our top expenses are and everything, but also my content. So every single plan that I have for content is shown in here, whether it's long form, short form, whatever you do. The core idea behind this platform is every business is different. My business is probably very different than your business. And your business is very different from the business of your neighbor, for example. And when you are going to install this for yourself, you will see how easy it is to change this into something that fits your business. We have analytics tabs. We basically track every single thing in our business. So my socials, my YouTube, my website, the amount of traffic that I'm getting, even my AI costs. So everything that I'm spending on AI is shown in here. So this is all very great. But now the question, like, cool that I have created this, but how can you actually start using this for yourself? That is exactly what I will show you right now. And also make sure to check the link in the description if you want to get started with this. This is for sure the single most important thing that you can do when you have your own business. So what I can do is I can just open a Claude Code session and then I have one prompt. So when you go to my website and you make the payment, you will get a prompt. So this prompt looks like this. And this is the only thing that you need to do to get started. So we run this, it will basically get all the code, all my skills, all my routines, everything, and it will clone it to your system. So when you do this, you are almost done already. So we now run this, and I will show you exactly how simple it actually is. Because this system only works when it's very personalized. And that is exactly what you will see in 1 second. And as you can see right here, this is not a regular Claude Code session. It knows exactly the whole setup, and it will just guide you through every single step. So right now it is at step 1 of 10. So what we need to do is we need to create a new Supabase project, because when you see this is the brain that we need to recreate. Because as you can see right here, all your data is in your own Supabase project. So this is a clean project, and I now need to get my API keys for this specific project. So I go to project settings. So when you're doing this yourself, you need to get your secret key, and that is basically all. From there, the next thing, you just need to add your integrations that are specific for your business. So it is now asking us for our keys and the name of our business. So in my case, that is BuildLoop, and I have my API keys copied from Supabase. So what I say right here is my name is BuildLoop and the color is CFFF05 already. So we run this, and now it has everything it needs. So it will now make our own app and connect to our own Supabase project, and from there make sure that we have the tables that we need. So in this whole package, all the skills that I'm using to run my business are also added. I already have them obviously, so I don't need to install them. But right here, it already sees that I have the skills already. So it is asking me for like, hey, do you want to duplicate them or do you want to skip them? For now, we can just skip them. But if you install this for yourself, check the link in the description. You can just one-on-one copy every single skill I use. So if you are interested in having this for your own business, make sure to check out the link in the description. If you want this done for you, I will also add another link in the description where we can have one-on-one sessions to actually install this for you. But the first link is really where you buy this template and you can get started straight away. And within a few hours, you will have this whole system up and running. Okay, so it directly loads the app. So what it did is it created all the Supabase tables. Everything is now in place. So this is really just like a kickstart for your Founder OS, for your Cadence app. And it is now running in our local host. So we can now go to this local host address in our browser. And right here, we can create an account. And as you can see, it already has our own name, our own colors, and we can now click on create account and make one. And we are now signed in to our actual app. So this is amazing. We have our to-dos, we have our finances, we have our analytics. We basically have everything that we need right here. We also have our system map. So this is made for you, so you really understand what is happening inside of your business. So we basically have a team, and I am pretty sure that this is the direction we are heading. We will have these Claude skills, these Claude routines that are basically your employees doing a specific workflow task. So as you can see, we have a channel watcher, we have a content director, we have an editor, but this is all focused on content. Obviously, your business is different than mine. So we also have the inbox, we have the curation, we have finance, we have marketing, and these are basically all employees that do a specific task for you. And they are all telling you exactly what they are doing. So in the live activity right here, you will see everything that they are doing. We also have the map. So right here, you can see exactly what is happening where. So we have schedules. So obviously we will have tasks that need to happen on a specific day, every day, and that we can schedule. So we can make a schedule that can use a specific skill, and that skill can use specific edge functions. So for example, every 2 minutes, our routine inbox draft replies will use those edge functions to make sure that open emails get a response. But we have way more. Like the whole system is shown exactly in here. So this is really starting to be a whole business on its own. We also have this graph to make stuff a bit more visual. So also we have someone or an AI agent that can do all of our meta ads for us. And that is the ads reporter. So that is basically someone who is reading all the metadata and showing us exactly what we need to do to run our ads more efficient. And we also have our memory, obviously. So everything we're doing is being stored so that over time our system is becoming only smarter. We have our notes, which is basically really like a Notion page where we just have headings and stuff like that, where we can type things out. And every note that you add in here is something that is valuable, because what if we need to answer something based on a note, for example? So this is really cool, but it only gets cooler because we can now go back to Claude Code and it will actually help us get all of our data in, because that is the exact point where it gets interesting. We now need to add our Anthropic API key. So we can choose, we can reuse an existing one, we can generate a new one, or we can skip it for now. Like I already have all these routines. So when I now say run it again, it will add them twice and it will get super messy. So for now, I will skip them. But if you do this yourself, you don't have these routines yet. So when you give Claude Code your API key, it will set up your entire Claude infrastructure for you. So for now, I will just reuse an existing API key that I will get from the Claude platform. So I just added my API key, but I will now say, don't add the managed agents and routines. So in this case, I can now say, go on with the next steps, please. And it knows exactly what step to do first. And it will probably now say to us like, okay, we now need to start adding our external systems so that our data gets valuable. So in step 8, it is really trying to get to know you. So it needs to understand what kind of business you have, what kind of systems you use. And based on all of this, it will determine which integrations you need, and it will use the existing integrations to get the ones that you need for your business. So I can now click on full step 8a conversation from scratch, and it will come up with the questions that I need to answer. Okay, so what it says is, I don't have a form for this. I'd rather understand how you actually work. Walk me through your business and your week in your own words. What you do, how the money comes in, where customers reach you, and most useful of all, which jobs you do over and over that you wish ran themselves. So what you can then do is you have the speech to text option right here that you just need to talk to. So take 10 minutes of your time. Maybe you've already done this once and you can just copy paste everything in. But in this case, I will just start telling it about my business. So I won't bother you with all of this, but I will just do this so you can see what it will then do after that. So I now had this explanation of basically my whole business, how my communication goes, who my clients are, what kind of clients I have, what type of income sources I have, where my time goes. And based on this, it will propose how we can make this template into something more personalized, as that is really where the value is. Like, you can be using Revolut, but you can also be using Wise, for example. And this system is really able to choose between them. So it now understands it, but I skipped the most useful question. And which jobs do you do over and over that you wish ran themselves? So that is basically content ideation, script writing, thumbnail creation, negotiating with clients, and overall having insight and control over my business. The agency revenue lands in Revolut directly. And the agency delivery side, I need to track my hours indeed, as I have an hourly loan, and I then invoice them for that specific amount at the end of the month. So as you can see, this is not really a system that is directly exactly how you want it. And it is not supposed to be. I am not telling you something here that is perfect directly. This is something that needs continuous work to become good and stay good. But it is really worth it as it gets better over time. And at the end, when you have your Supabase MCP, you can just get all of the data from your second brain basically into your Claude. So if you have any questions about whatever, about your products, about your clients, if you need consultancy from someone, you can just ask Claude by now. Okay, so as you can see, it is really intelligent. It says first the elephant before anything else. You already have a build loop back office ad. So it already understands that what we're doing right now doesn't really make sense as I already have it. But it knows every single step that you need to take. And honestly, there's no point in me explaining how that goes. As also, like in this case, I'm just following Claude. Because the instructions are so clear, it is actually super easy to fix this. And you will then just start implementing integrations. So your bank, your inbox, whatever other system you're using, it is all syncing that data towards your own operating system. By the end, you will have something like this. A place where everything comes together. You just need to accept or reject any choices that it is making for you, and this operating system is then really operating on its own. But then the most important part, basically, this is the interface. But we don't really have a chat here, because the thing is, when you have all of your data right here in this Supabase, what we can then do is we can go to Claude, we can go to connectors, we can go to customize, and we can then add the Supabase MCP. And what that means is it will be able to do anything for you. So whenever you have any in-depth question about, for example, what is the thing that I get asked the most in my inbox, or what product that I'm selling is making me the most money, your Claude, with its proactiveness, can go through your database and find out everything for you. But this is really cool, right? We can now ask questions, but it doesn't stop with just questions. We also have skills. So what I can show you right now is I have my Claude folder right here. And as you can see, I have a lot of skills right here. So I'm making slides, I'm making carousels, I'm copywriting, I'm designing, I'm using Higgsfield, I'm making invoices, I'm designing web apps, I'm rendering videos. Everything is happening in here. And those skills will all be shared with you directly. And let's say we, at the end of the month, always need to make our invoices and send them to clients. What we can then do is we already have this invoice skill, which is basically a Python script to actually generate them, and a skill MD, which explains everything. So what we can then do is we can go to Claude, we can go here, we can go to routines, and we can add a new routine, which will basically use the skill for invoicing, check the Supabase MCP to see which clients need which invoice. You can connect your routines with your skills. And by doing this, your workflows will be streamlined and your business will start running itself because you are scheduling every single workflow to just run without you needing to activate it. And this will then also show in here where you have your system map and you will see exactly what is happening when. And as you can see in my version, I have the settings right here. I can also add users. So I have people with an admin role. I have people with an editor role. I have people with a team role. So I can really get everything towards my own app instead of having 5 different SaaS systems everywhere. This only works when you make it super personalized on your own business. So make sure to check out the link in the description for that. Thank you for sticking around until the end of this video and make sure to like and subscribe, and then we'll see each other in my next video.